Hello all, this is Kumar Chandan. Welcome to Stock Fixers. We will analyze Bank Nifty and Nifty on the basis of OI, change in OI, and also we will check some other data like Max Pen and PCR for both the indices. First we will start with Bank Nifty and first we will check the closing price of Bank Nifty, which is at around 21,708.35 on the on 22 June 2020, and we are analyzing 25th June expiry. Now we will find out the trading range of the Bank Nifty. Trading range is the range between highest call and highest put. Highest call will act as the highest resistance for Bank Nifty, whereas the highest put will act as the highest support for Bank Nifty. For finding highest call, we'll go through this column and check. Here we can see around 7,47,000 contracts are open at 23,000 strike, followed by 6,96,000 contracts at 22,500, and here also we can see the 6,10,000 contracts at 22,000 strike. So this is going to be the highest resistance, where is the this one is the second highest, and immediate resistance is this one, that is 22,000 strike is the immediate resistance for the Bank Nifty. Here we can see around 2,47,000 contracts added in change in Y, and here 2,48,000 contracts change in Y at 23,000. So in change in OI, these two are also important levels. Now for finding highest put, we will go through this column, and here we can see at 20,000 strikes 7,71,000 contracts are open, whereas at 21,000 here we can see 6,56,000 contracts are open over here. So this is going to be the highest support. This one is the second highest support, and immediate support for the Bank Nifty is here at 21,500. This is going to be the immediate support for the Bank Nifty. Now we will see this one, net change. See this one, this all are green, indicates the call buying was there. This indicates the put writing was there. This two indicates the bullishness of the market, Bank Nifty and Nifty both. Now time to find out the range for the Bank Nifty, and range seems to be 21,000 to 23,000 for the Bank Nifty. This one 21,000 to 23,000 for the Bank Nifty, keeping the 21,500. 21,500 is the pivot level for it. Here we can see around 2,79,000 contracts in call side and 3,70,000 in put side. So 21,000 is the 21,500 is the pivot range. Above this it will try to go towards 22,000, 22,500, and then 23,000, and below this will try to go towards 21,000, 20,500 and 20,000. These are the range for the Bank Nifty. Overall data indicates the bullishness in Bank Nifty. Now we will also check the Max Pen and PCR for it. Before that we will move towards Nifty and analyze it. The first here is the closing price of the Nifty at 10,311.20 on June 22nd. Now now we will find the trading range, highest call and highest put. For finding highest call for Nifty, we'll go through this column and find here we can see the highest call around 11,000. We have 34 lakh contracts open, and here 10,500 we can see 37 lakh contracts open. So this one is the highest, whereas this one is going to be second highest. However, if we talk about the immediate resistance, then this is the immediate resistance. that is 10,300 is the immediate resistance for Nifty. Now the highest put, for finding highest put, we'll go through this Y column and try to find out where is the highest call put. Here you can see at 10,000 we have 46 lakh contracts open. This is the highest Y input side, and this will act as the highest support for the Nifty. And here we can see 9,900 and 9,800 almost equal Y, so these are going to be the second highest support for the Nifty, and this one is the highest at 10,000. This is going to be here we can see at 10,100 and 10,200 and 10,300 some very good support. So if we see the Nifty, we can see the call writers are here, put writers are here, so it seems in range, but the VIX is higher at higher side, so range is something bigger. So this is on Y. Now if you see here, it is also change in Y huge, here change in Y huge. So these are the important level on put side as well. Here if we see the call buying was there here, and here call writing, so this indicates the range bound, this indicates the put writing was there. So overall Nifty looks range bound, whereas Bank Nifty looks bullish. Now the range of the Nifty seems to be 10,200 to maybe 10,000 to 10,500. This is the range for the Nifty, keeping the pivot level here 10,300. 10,300 is a pivot level for Nifty. Above this it will try to go towards 10,400. Below this it will try to go towards 10,250 and 10,200, then 10,000 levels. So this is the pivot level. And now we will go towards our blog and check out the other details like max span and PCR for Bank Nifty and Nifty. The max span have increased, indicates the bullishness in Bank Nifty as well as Nifty. PCR a little bit higher side, so it may be indicating some reversal may come. For trend cycle, we did not get all data that is needed for the making trend cycle. So today trend cycle is not available. Apart from this, all are bullish. Nifty looks range bound, whereas Bank Nifty looks bullish. Nifty is range bound to bullish. So this is all about Nifty and Bank Nifty. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you very much.